Hurricane Helene hit over the week, last week, as you can see from the footage that I already uploaded. Now, there's another hurricane coming straight across. It's supposed to hit Wednesday, October 9th. I just delivered it in Jacksonville, Florida. And I was gonna just sit around and wait. I wanted to take a picture of that truck. I pulled in next to another guy, and he said he's not worried about it because where we were at, we were like on the north side of Jacksonville, Florida, maybe like we were like 20 miles from the Georgia border. So we weren't really gonna get the strongest of winds, but it was gonna be enough, and it was gonna rain. But he wasn't worried. He was just gonna sit there. He said lower his landing leg so the truck won't rock and the trailer won't rock. I never thought about that. So next time I'm in an area where there's like tornado winds and stuff like that, lower the landing legs. That's a little tip for high winds. I haven't tried it. I don't know, but he swears by it. But anyway, I'm in Georgia now. I'm on 95. I'm deadheading 300 miles.